Hello, today I'm making a pumpkin soup inside the pumpkin. I have here a little pumpkin which I will cut in half, and I will have two kind of plates, servings of pumpkin soup. I have here one tomato on which I poured hot boiling water because I want to take the skin off, and it's hot. I have a little bit of pumpkin, it's raw, which I will shred. I have cooked buckwheat here, parsley, 2 slices of mozzarella cheese. I have also red pepper flakes and cilantro seed powder. Here I have, which I will use a little bit, but it is optional, as well as chili pepper, as well as these red pepper flakes also are optional. And I forgot salt, of course. And I will need a baking dish in which I will bake all this soup inside the pumpkin. It will be done in the oven at 330 degrees for 40-45 minutes, about that it takes. So for now I can take it away, and I will need to shred all this pumpkin. Also, I will take the skin off the tomato and shred it too. Tomatoes also I shredded. Now all this pumpkin, shredded pumpkin, goes into tomatoes. We'll add salt, pepper flakes, and cilantro seed powder. Going to mix it to evenly distribute it, because I will divide it between 2 halves of the pumpkin. Now I'm going to cut it in half. Here it is. Now I have to scoop out all the seeds and fibers and make them ready for stuffing. Before I transfer it into the pumpkin, I'm going to add cooked buckwheat a little bit, just to add a little flavor, and distribute it between these 2 pumpkins. Don't be afraid to overstuff it, because pumpkin after cooking will shrink a little bit, and buckwheat is cooked already, so it doesn't need extra room for cooking. Now I'm not going to add olive oil yet, I will do it later. Now press it a little bit, just like that. It's not even soup, it may be some kind of, I don't know how to call it, but it goes into the oven for 40 minutes. The oven is preheated to 330 degrees. So I have 3 ingredients left, which I will add later, which is parsley, mozzarella cheese, and olive oil. I will do that later. First they have to be cooked, or baked actually. The pumpkins were baking for about 45 minutes, and they are done. Basically, you can see it's very soft throughout. And now it is time to add here mozzarella cheese on the top, like this, and it goes back into the oven. And that's it. Cheese melted, and my pumpkin with buckwheat is ready. Get it out for you. Sprinkle it with a little bit of parsley. Just open it a little bit and add here olive oil, but of course it is optional, just like that, and serve it with a little bit of olive oil in the center. Now I will cut it and show you how it looks inside. maybe from here. It's very hot, but I think it looks delicious. And it is delicious, and it looks delicious. It's a pumpkin with a buckwheat. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.